Hi all, welcome to another data ad hoc video, and today's stream will be number 31. And let's check for today's session. I have this programming related index which is released by Tiobe. So let's check what is index and how different programming languages are ranked upon different criteria or overall. Let's check. So this is the article or index for Tiobe for December 2024. So usually every year they release this index for different programming languages, and at start they mentioned that Python is about to become language of the year. So uh, since it's is not completed yet, but the uh, like uh, Python is gained 10% rating in 1 year. So uh, there won't be any changes on what they like a rank they have provided. Also, runners Java and JavaScript, uh, they jump from like 0.173% and 0.172% respectively. So they are in competition. And Python is unstoppable because of its support for AI and data mining. And there is also concern that AI bubble is about to burst, plus the fact that demand for fast languages is rapidly increasing. So there due to AI revolution, or we can say due to a recent like changes in programming, there is a requirement of fast languages which can code effectively with increasing speed. And also there are chances that Python might start plateau, or there other languages will gain popularity for AI and data mining, but that yet to come. So they have this Tiobe Programming Index Community Index, and based on different rating, based on rating criteria, number of skilled engineer worldwide, courses, third-party vendors, popular website Google, Amazon, Wikipedia, Bing, and more than 20 others are used to calculate this rating. So we will check this index as well in some time. So also they have mentioned that Tiobe Index is not about the best programming language or the language in which most line code have been written. So they not generalize their index as like best programming language. They just based on their ratings they have ranked these programming languages. So we can see that for 2023 Python there is no change. Ratings for Python ratings is 23.84, changes is plus 9.98. So uh, for C++ rating is 10.822 and change is 0.81. So we can see that for Python is there is a higher increase, and rating is also, as compared to other languages, rating is more than like for C++ 10.82, however for Python is 23.84. So it seems that Python is undisputed uh, number one as of now, but in fast growing world we can see some competition from other languages, and there might be some changes in this rank. We can also see that this green arrow, red arrow, which is like mentioned changes. So Python is number one, C++ is number two, and Java is at three. However, we can see that three they like there are changes like from 3 to 4 and 3 to 2, and on 4 C language, and for fifth number C hash, and 6 JavaScript. If you want to check more detail, then you can click on this. Then there will you will some points like highest position since 2001. Like from 2001, it like in 24 years it becomes number one. Lowest position 13 in 2003. Language of the year 2007, 10, 18, 20, 21, and I think also for this 2024 it will also become language of the year. And we can see all the journey for Python from 2001. We can see ratings have changed drastically for during 2004, then 2011, then there is a decrease in rating during 2015 to 2017, and after that we can see sharp increasing rating, and from like June till December we can see constant sudden increase in the rating. Okay. Also, you can check for like what is your preferred language, and based on this rating you can check uh, what course of action you required for to learn or use in your professional language. What is the demand, you can check here. I think Go language, which is number 7, there is chances that rating for Go will increase in upcoming days. SQL is there at number 8, Visual Basic number 9. Visual Basic is like earlier it was 8 and now it's 9. For Go we can see that last year it was at number 13, and this year it is at number 7. PHP there is a gap, like last year it was 7 and this year's at 12. For R we can see increase in rating, like from last year 20 to this year 16. So for this main table they have shown only first 20 languages. Then we can see for these 20 languages like for plus 10 languages, first 10 languages, what is the overall from 2001 till December 2024, what is the journey of these languages. So like at in 2001 we can see that Java was number 8. Java was number 1, and but for this Java is number 3. However, we can see for C hash was I think at 10 in 2001, and this also we can see C hash as number 5. So for this 10 languages we can see there is a changes happening over the time, but it seems that these languages are at their keeping their position between 1 and 10. For this SQL there is no change, we can see rating, but it is like stationary. It seems this language is at their stationary level. also for JavaScript, and for other we can see some changes or movement in over the time. So the complete top 50 programming languages listed below. Overview is publicly unofficial because it could be the case that we missed language. So they mention that here, and from we can see that 21 to 50 uh, programming languages list is here with their rating, and there is no graph available for these languages. So we can see Kotlin, I know I heard that, then SAS, Fox Pro, Scala, Julia, Elixir I heard, but not sure. Then for next 50 programming languages, the difference are relatively small. Hence, they arrange in alphabetical order. There is no rating provided and or no number, just provided in alphabetical order, like 4 dimension, 4D, action script, or goal, then Clips, Crystal, Erlang, Icon, JScript, natural, PostScript, RQ, Scheme, small attacks, Spark. So these are all like relatively small languages as compared to 50. And also they mentioned that Bruce McKinnon suggests to add language RPL to Tiobe Index because it meets all requirement. RPL into position 178. I was not able to find all the list because it seems that for first 100 is provided, and first 100 languages are provided here, but for languages till 178, so there must be till 200 indexes or they have, but I couldn't found that. So a very long term history. So for like uh, we can see for first uh, 10 uh, 10 languages we can see from 84 till 2024. So they have provided like 84, 89, 91, 94, 99. So in this chart we have a history from 2001, but for the top 10 languages we can see history from 1984. So 1994 Python is started at number 23, and 24 it is number 1. And we can see Go is, it seems that Go is recent language. Also SQL, why SQL is mentioned that recent language, need to check on that. And for like Visual Basic, it's not listed here. Yeah, Visual Basic is at number 9, but it is not listed here. Not sure what is the exact reason, but for here is the one of the example, like Objective C, uh, Lisp language is at number 30, but it was number 2 in 1984. So we can see that fast changing environment for different programming languages, and over the time language which is easy to use and more efficient, this that language only survives. And we can see programming language hall of fame. So last year it was C hash, earlier C plus plus. We can see from 2003 all list is present here. So let's check about Tiobe Index definition. So because there are questions about Tiobe Index, they have provided this dedicated page for index definition, where we can see uh, like details about this. So uh, they mention about this search engines, like they have referred different search engines and defined their rating. There are 25 search engines that are used to calculate Tiobe index. The selected search engines are highest ranked website of similar web. So similar web is research data research related platform where or agency who like uh, from this similar web, they have identified these 25 search engines on definitive criteria. So the search engines have required following condition, like entry page of site contains search facility, result of querying site contains indication of the number of page hits. On different this criteria, they have defined this search engine, and based on this criteria, like result should be available in HTML, search engines language should search engine languages with special character should be encoded properly. Search engine should have at least written one hit for one query. Results for querying the site shouldn't contain too many outliers. Pond sites are included. And based on this condition, following search engines are selected. So google.com contain 7.69%, Wikipedia 7.38. Then we can see Amazon, Bing, Microsoft.com, SharePoint, eBay, Amazon.co, JP is I think it's for Japan. Then MSN.com, DE, Denmark or J Denmark, Amazon.in, it's for India, UK, Brazil. For different Google like pages, we can see here they have mentioned, and they qualified for search engine criteria, and following search engines didn't qualify. They also mention about which sites or search engines are not qualified and what is the exact reason. Baidu.com sources not parsable, no counters. So I'm not sure about like no counter. I think sources not parsable, maybe they couldn't get related information or details from this baidu.com, but I'm not sure about no counter. So they mention about this as well. So here I can see that linkedin.com also mentioned no counter, because uh, linkedin.com is professional social media platform, but it is also not included, and most of technical or related details were discussion ongoing on linkedin.com as well, but why it is not calculated or included. Reddit is also not included. Quora, Reddit, YouTube also not included. So in this section, and for uh, in this section, it is clarified what counts a programming language for TOV index. There's three requirements that should all hold. For every programming languages, three basic requirements should be available. Like a language should have an own entry on Wikipedia. Programming language should be Turing complete. Uh, because of that, HTML and XML are not considered programming language because it's not Turing complete. So let's check what is Turing complete. A compatibility theory, a system of data manipulation rules such as model complete to computer instruction set or programming language. If it can be used to simulate any Turing machine. Okay. And because it for Wikipedia, they don't have own entry on Wikipedia, like Ruby, Excel, Android, Boost, Cocoa, ASP, Ajax are not included because they don't have entry on Wikipedia. A programming language should have at least 5,000 hits for language or programming related search on Google. So all Google related subset as well. And definition what languages group has been formalized according to the following rule. Language has it in Wikipedia if language automatically redirect to another Wikipedia entry will be grouped together with B. If language has no separate Wikipedia but is mentioned as part of another Wikipedia, then we contain group B. The following tables contain all programming language tracked, including its grouping, confidence, and exception. Okay. So they have all this list. They come under one of these grouping criteria. They, I think they have like provided list in alphabetical order. So all languages they mention are present here. I think they it is more than 100. So all list are we can see here from Kotlin, JHash, and then for Python mentioned QR. So all list is available here from this even after this after this 50 we can see here uh, rest is available, index are available here. So list is available here, not indexed but list is available. So that's it about for Tiobe Index programming community index for 2024, and with ongoing like uh, a race for different programming languages and changes with AI happening simultaneously. uh, we can see some major upset in upcoming years, but till now we have Python as number one, but rest are also preparing the rest programming languages are also preparing themselves to make changes according to for data science or AI related applications. So we will see some changes in upcoming years. So yes, so that's it for today for Tiobe index programming index, and let's meet tomorrow with new updates on data related topic. Thank you.